Not only are we going to need one another, we're going to need the help of Yah and all of his heavenly hosts and all of the earthly hosts that represent him on this planet. We are going to have to be unified. Let it begin in the area of truth and righteousness. There are many of us who have an expectation of deliverance and salvation. There is going to be salvation. There's going to be deliverance. And that salvation and deliverance is going to come from He who created all of us, and He who gives us life. He who is from everlasting to everlasting. He who is our Father. He who is our Maker. He who is our sustainer and our rock. He who is the mighty Yah, the mighty, mighty Yah, Yah of heaven and earth. He is the one who will save us. Let's place our trust and our hearts upon Him. And let us seek Him in this day. And over the next 10 days, let us look into our hearts and let us align ourselves in truth. Let's ask for guidance. Let's seek for that salvation that exists in Him. If we call upon Him, we plead with Him, it shall be delivered. And as those who are chosen, let's continue to be that light that we were created to be. Those who understand the laws and the instructions and the commandments of Yah, let us adhere to them in this season like no other season before, with all of our heart, soul, and might. Those who are at the highest level, who understand in this season the law of truth, in this season of the Jubilee, let us stand for Yah, and let us stand for the creation, and let us stand for His people, wherever they may be, whether they are in truth or whether they are seeking it. This is the season wherein Yah Kadosh Yisrael's name shall be magnified, and we will bring glory unto Him in this season because of the Jubilee. This here is the Jubilee, the acceptable year of Yah, and the day of His vengeance. We shall serve Him, we shall follow Him, and none shall stand in our way. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Selah.